In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Squarespace. If you need to quickly adjust the size of an image on your Squarespace site, this is a very simple process, and once you've done it once, it becomes easy to repeat anywhere on your website. I'm going to walk you through it in a clear, step-by-step way so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your Squarespace website and go into editing mode. You'll want to click on Website and then choose Edit so you can make changes directly on the page. This puts you into the page editor where you can interact with the content that's already been added to your site. Once you're in edit mode, scroll to the specific image you want to adjust. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct image, especially if the page has several photos or visual elements close together. It helps to click carefully so you're editing the image itself and not another block nearby. When you find the image you want to resize, click on it to select it. As soon as it's selected, you should see a border appear around the image, along with drag points, sometimes called resize handles. These show that the image is active and ready to be adjusted. If you don't see the border right away, just click the image again and make sure it is properly selected. Now for the actual resizing. Click and hold one of the drag points, then drag inward or outward to change the image size. Dragging one direction will make the image smaller, and dragging the other will make it larger. Move slowly while you do this so you can better control the size and see how it looks within the layout of your page. This is especially useful if you're trying to make the image fit more neatly with surrounding text, buttons, or other design elements. As you resize, keep an eye on the overall balance of the page. You want the image to look intentional and clean, not too cramped and not oversized. A small adjustment can sometimes make a big difference in how polished the page feels. And that's it. Once you drag the image to the size you want, your image has been resized in Squarespace. It's a quick edit, but it can really help improve the look and structure of your website. If you're making several design changes, just continue through the page and adjust any other images the same way.